Did you know that you don't need to hire a designer to have a professional home inspection website? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing how hard it is to build a professional website. After all, there's coding, design, page speed, image optimization, search engine optimization, and the list can go on and on. But the truth is, with the right approach and proper tools, you can build a professional home inspection website in just a few hours. And today, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you that are going to revolutionize the way you think about branding, website design, and how you market your home inspection business. Hi, my name is CJ Halleck. I'm the founder of Inspector Branding, and I've been building websites for over 20 years and have been full-time in marketing and branding for over a decade. I've been blessed with the opportunity to help many different home inspectors build out websites and marketing strategies that are not only professional, but also performed. With good rankings, lead capture possibilities, and more, these inspectors have built 5-star brands around their websites. So how can you have a 5-star website that looks like you paid a professional firm thousands of dollars for? What's the secret? It's actually a free platform called WordPress. And I know what you're probably thinking. I don't know anything about design or branding. I'm a home inspector. Well, I'm going to show you how you can use some amazing resources paired with WordPress so that you can build your own website that stands at the core of all your marketing and assists in building and growing your home inspection business into the business and brand that you know it should be. But before I get there, let's cover the 3 secrets I mentioned earlier. Secret number 1 is your branded username, or BU. Your BU isn't necessarily the name of your business as much as it is how it's branded digitally. This is important because it's branded only to you. Let's step away from home inspections for a second and look at the brand Coke or Coca-Cola. Their actual business name isn't Coke or Coca-Cola, it's the Coca-Cola Company, but their BU or branded username is just Coca-Cola. It's short enough so they have it on all social media platforms. They also have the .com domain, and of course they own the trademark. And with those 3 critical checklist items, availability of the username on social media, .com availability, and trademark availability, a branded username is yours, and you can grab your domain and start building. Secret number 2, using the right tools. Technically, you can count this as a few secrets, but either way, having the right tools can change the time and money invested when you're building your website. Tools like the right hosting and security can make your website load sometimes 2 to 3 times faster. Using the right page builder can let a 93-year-old man design better looking pages on his website than a person who spent years going to college for it. It's a true story. I helped a 93-year-old entrepreneur understand how to use an affordable page builder while redesigning a website he had paid a late 20-something recent college graduate thousands of dollars to design. I moved the website over to his own account, and while drinking a cup of coffee, I showed him the ropes, and within a few hours, he was making better looking websites than the professional. But enough about that guy, let's go ahead and move on. Secret number 3, take the available shortcuts and remember that your clients will too. Now, I'm not saying you should take every shortcut or that you should always look for shortcuts, because we all know shortcuts don't always have positive outcomes. But if there are proven shortcuts available, take them. You don't have to reinvent the wheel at every turn. You want to make sure your potential clients have a path of least resistance from finding you to scheduling your home inspection. So using the free schedule form from Spectora, for example, keeps you from having to build out this long form or paying a programmer to integrate it into a system for you to use. This can make that specific page, your schedule page, very easy for you to design, because at the core, all you have to do is copy and paste the code for your personal form, and it helps provide your client with that path of least resistance. Shortcut for the win, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. I can make a completely free website with one of those online website builders, or I have a Facebook page and don't need anything else. Well, as I'm sure you may know, you can have hundreds, if not even thousands of followers on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram or Twitter, and only have a small percentage of them actually see what you post or share. And the worst case scenario, what if that free online website builder decides to allow Google Ads on their free websites? Now, your competition can buy ads through Google that displays on your website. And so I've created a master website template that you can use to build your professional home inspection website for your business. And the cool part is it can be done in an afternoon. For those of you who have talked to me about web design, you know I've been building out a complete small business website template to help entrepreneurs and small businesses get their website up and running as fast as possible. And this template is the core template I've used over a decade in many different niches to get started building websites for my clients. I spent over 10 years perfecting that core template, and honestly, I've never even considered selling it. The only way it was ever used was if I personally built a website. It's amazing, and after 10 years, it automatically saves me hours worth of time installing plugins, putting in the proper settings, creating the necessary pages, and the list just keeps going. After deciding to work with home inspectors, I decided to go back into the core template, tweak it, and customize it specifically for home inspectors. Look, this thing is crazy. I literally spent hundreds of hours going through every page on hundreds, if not thousands, of home inspector websites. To say I did some additional research would be a massive understatement. Then, with my 20 years of experience building websites and complete understanding of home inspectors' target market and buying process, I made a super website template just for home inspectors. Look, this thing is a finished website. There are over 20 different pages created for you, along with written content by professional writers, and it's almost completely designed for you. It also has some default blog posts for you to use and publish as your own, with featured images, descriptions, categories, and much more done for you. If the template itself wasn't awesome, the fact that at the core this template with minor work will get you a 20+ page professional looking website, and honestly, it can be done in under an hour if you don't customize it much and just want to get the ball rolling. That does include every step, including registering your domain and setting up your hosting. Here's the deal, this isn't just a WordPress theme or a generic template that's only for home inspectors because it says home inspector in the titles of the template. The pages are designed with pre-written content specifically for home inspectors and the needs of your clients. So not only are you able to design and launch a professional website, you are also going to be following a step-by-step video that will walk you through all of the above, and also your on-page search engine optimization. And don't worry, I understand what year it is, so yes, it is also responsive or mobile friendly. And because I know you may need help with the template along the way, you will also have access to additional videos for training, as well as access to me via our Inspector Branding Facebook group and other social media platforms. Now, paying a professional designer to design a similar website, you could be looking at thousands of dollars before you even get to the content and written copy that's on your website. It's over 20 pages, and with a lot of the designers charging over $100 or more per page, that's $2,000. Now look, I can sleep well at night honestly selling this template for $1,000, if not more. Especially when you include the research, design time, ghost writers, and everything else that's included in this template. I've spent probably close to 500 hours working on building just this, and spent a lot of money getting everything set up the way it is. At its core, it saves close to 20 hours in the setup and design, if not more. When I launched the first version of the Home Inspector website template, it was selling at over $500. And even at $500, I've had home inspectors tell me that the value is worth a lot more. But I really want to over-deliver and truly make a positive impact on the industry. So honestly, I went to Google to see what other so-called templates are available for home inspectors, the same way you would. Once I got through the ads, I found some service providers that charge hundreds of dollars monthly for a website that's not even over 10 pages. And when I got to the home inspector website templates, most of them were either for contractors like painters or electricians, or they were just for agents. So basically you're paying $60 to $100 for a theme to have a specific look in the header and footer. As you can see, pricing something like this isn't easy because there's nothing like it in the marketplace. And if there's nothing there to compare it to, it makes it a little rough. So I decided to keep the entire template with all of the bonuses at $395 for the regular price. But on this page, you can see that I've already added a coupon code for you that will save you $200. That makes the Home Inspector website template available only on this page for $195. This Home Inspector website template gives you the opportunity to have a professional looking website with over 20 different pages that is made with your client in mind. A reviews page pre-designed for you to showcase your company's reviews by simply copying and pasting the reviews into the template, as well as a Google Business Profile integration to display your reviews 100% free, individual pages for your additional services like mold testing, radon testing, sewer scope, WDO, thermal imaging, and you of course also have pages to sell your pre-listing and pre-purchase home inspections. A contact page with a clean and professional looking contact form so you can stay in touch with your prospective clients, and when they're ready, a schedule my home inspection page where you can add your embedded schedule form from your reporter software like Spectora. So for under $200, you can get your own copy of the Home Inspector website template. I would also like to introduce you to the Inspector Branding Club. With cool templates, monthly white label content, marketing materials, and other bonuses, including access to the website template for home inspectors, completely free with your membership. While Inspector Branding Club was originally called the Content Club and only included a few blog posts per month, it has evolved so much more. The white label blog post library is full of blog posts that you can customize for your own brand and post it on your own website and or social media platforms. With new blog posts added monthly, there is a decent amount of content, but each blog post is downloaded as a blog post kit. So each white label blog post is at least 400 words. They each come with links to suggested royalty-free stock photos that you can use and won't cost you anything. You also get 2 pre-written status updates to share your blog post once you get it published, and promotional images to use on your social media sites to share the blog post. You also get a new collection of quote cards and other content that you can post from your business every month. I could keep going, but there is a lot that is inside the Inspector Branding Club, and you're here for the Home Inspector website template. So instead of digging deeper into IBC, I'll just say that if you would prefer to join IBC and get access to everything mentioned earlier and more, you can do so by selecting the option below in the bonus checkbox. If you want to purchase the template itself or would like to join IBC and save money in the process, we can get your website live. Get your copy of the Ultimate Home Inspector website template today. I'm always here to help, and I can't tell you the success that can come from having a professional website, especially for home inspectors. Get your copy of the template, and I can't wait to see you inside where we build our home inspector website.